In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a TradingView widget to your Notion page, making your workspace more dynamic and informative. Whether you're tracking stocks, cryptocurrencies, or any market data you fancy, integrating TradingView widgets into Notion can significantly enhance your productivity and ease of data visualization. Let's get started with simple step-by-step guidance. First, head over to tradingview.com/widget. This is where you'll find a variety of widgets to choose from. Whether you're interested in a single stock ticker or a market overview, this page has everything you might need. Once you've selected your desired widget, it's time to customize it. You can set it to display a specific stock symbol or adjust the theme to match your personal or brand aesthetic. Once you're happy with your setup, TradingView provides you with an embed code. Make sure to copy this code, as we'll use it in the next steps to create a Notion-compatible link. Now, to convert this embed code into something Notion can work with, you'll need a third-party conversion tool like Aption.co. This tool is crucial as it changes the format of the embed code into a URL that Notion can embed. So go to Aption.co, create an account if you haven't already, and navigate your way to the embed creation section. Paste the embed code that you got from TradingView into the conversion box. It's as straightforward as it sounds. After pasting the code, hit the Generate URL button, and just like that, you'll have a brand new Notion embeddable URL ready to go. Make sure to copy this URL because we're heading over to Notion next. With your Notion page open, there's a neat little trick to bring up the block menu quickly. Just type embed. This command lets you select the embed block option from a list of actions. Once you click on the embed block, you'll see a space where you can paste a URL. This is where the Notion embeddable URL you just generated will come into play. Paste the URL and hit the embed button. Voila! The widget now displays on your Notion page. It's as if the widget was specifically designed for Notion. Finally, a little bonus tip to finish up. You can resize the widget directly within Notion to fit it nicely on your page. Just click and drag the edges until you're satisfied with its appearance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a TradingView widget into your Notion workspace, merging two powerful tools to amplify your data tracking and presentation capabilities. I hope this guide was helpful and inspires you to explore even more creative ways to use the tools at your disposal.